Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to get shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Sleep. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So in Pokemon Sleep, players get shiny Pokemon through random encounters in the game. So however, the odds of catching one is pretty low. It's about 0.2%, so it's 1 in 500 only. So like all sleep research companions, the shiny Pokemon will show up while players are asleep. So and they are required special biscuits to befriend the trainer. So it's not just easy to get one and easy to obtain one with Pokemon Sleep. So I'll just give you a tip. Since shiny Pokemon are rare encounters in Pokemon Sleep, players are advised to stock up to 6 regular or 1 great biscuit each night. It's pretty hard to encounter one. So all you have to do is feed Snorlax during the day, and raising the sleeping Snorlax with berries and cooked foods will enhance its luring power and attract more shiny Pokemon. So by doing that, all you have to do is tap Snorlax belly, but it's only supposed to be level 12, so you have to unlock the 12 sleeping styles to unlock the cooking method here. So also get at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep by collecting more sleep scores. So by sleeping guys, you will collect more sleep scores, and players get empower Snorlax to help it lure rare encounters. So just stack up on biscuits too guys, and you'll have a guarantee of shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Sleep, and have at least 6 regular and or great biscuit in your inventory. So I'll just show you how it looks like, a rare Pokemon in Pokemon Sleep right here. And there you go guys. That's just how you lure a Pokemon or a shiny Pokemon in Pokemon Sleep. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.